finally we have reached Chikkamangaluru. So yeah, so this is the parking lot. I'm basically so tired. No energy though. Yeah.
And some of our group members are there backside. You can show them.
Yeah. Start kurase ite. So Mohan 5:30 ra ola do. Ite punja se it's already 12:10. It's like only 10 minutes walk ase kushi.
He's a singer.
Yeah.
Star singer.
Celebrity. Yeah.
Audition.
Indian Idol. You play with umbrella. Yeah. Another vlogger in the making. We're still walking. Are you tired?
Yeah. No. We have just started.
Okay. One guy said only 10 minutes walk like that. I'm not
No,
sure.
I don't think so. We have to go for a bit like this now.
Yeah.
A little far from here. Maybe it will take 20 minutes to reach here. But it's alright. Mohan the key.
Yeah.
Mohan
Mohan garnet.
Bustira Ishara.
Yeah. See, the roads are like too slippery. Finally, waterfall to finish and I'm feeling so dizzy right now. Yeah. Yeah. Two muscles are showing their muscles there. So Mohan takan lo aise like na takan du pani re khilya ase. For some reasons pani re man netra dikhte ase. We don't feel like going inside the water. Next. This is Huawei mixed with chips. We need to climb up again after some time. So tiring.
Biggest river. I think there. What is this?
Fitness models.
It's not biggest.
Guys, gym जाओ लगी रे सब मानू भी gym चले ना बुद्धि पाओ बाइक क्यों भी बताओ भी in order to stay fit and healthy. Right now it's raining. Oh my God, you're doing a lot, you know, like.
Don't forget to, like, it's been 4-5 months, you know, I didn't have any chips. Now for the first time, like after 4-5 months, I'm having this chip. Now I don't feel any cheese in this. Yeah. I don't feel like eating. See how much is left. I don't want to eat. Yeah, good thing I don't want to.
Oh, okay, thank you. Sun is coming again. Wow, this weather is like sun.
Thank you.
Ayo, are अचानक तेरा सान होला ऐसे पानी गिरन ना. Viewpoint explain करो.
ये क्या है? पानी ऊपर से नीचे गिरते हैं. बाद में ऐसा कंदी लो इधर कंदी कर जाता है. Our Indian very polluted person. I am very good person. No. I am teaching our guest.
हिंदी में बोलो. झूठ मत बोलो.
शाहरुख खान फैन कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलते.
No, they are Korali. So he's trying to explain about this viewpoint. Like I'm on this up like a zero good thing this up corona. It's like basically they don't have any bathrooms and all that. Corona. Ide ko ka umbrella brana. Phone green na eh. Just kidding, yeah. Anyways, it's about 1 o'clock. Aru mohan ekta bhi jana. And they're like still enjoying. Already pani gira ase.
Ite ki sichili hai mujhe. Aya, so sad yeah, man.
washroom use ko le mun jaishi hule bi thaka nai bisai na nuti de chai na ishi oh na we are relief now.
Yeah, kind of relief. Paniman I think it's time to go back. Moreover, leash kami bisi thaki hoy da. Yeah, over slippery ase. Rasta khambi te do. Mala friend ka din ruki na kiche. Over moro umbrella to Rina. Yeah. See the waterfall. Oh my goodness, it's raining so heavily. And people are still playing. Right. People are still playing. पता नहीं है. मेरा friend किधर हो? Look, so dirty. The roads and moreover, leeches are there. Ekta leech ba mala theng de. I hear na kamuri shave. FYI. And it's raining a lot. Moreover, we had only one umbrella. So we're having a problem. He's without umbrella and he's all wet now.
How do you feel? What karega?
So basically, we're like so tired now. हम अभी बात करेगा ना. It's still raining and we are all wet. Everyone is wet and now we are going to go back home. It's about 2:30 p.m. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna say
Hi guys, मैं अभी कुछ बोलने नहीं वाला हूँ, खाने वाले हैं.
okay. So we had our lunch and now we're strolling. Yeah. I mean it's good. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. That's it.
On this road, every scene took the light. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene took the light. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene took the light. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
It's like very cold. But thunder day. Yeah. Too much. It's too much, yeah. Too much. No. Yeah, it's fine. She slept, by the way. She slept for a while. I just woke up. Good morning. Good morning. From Karnataka. It's nearly 10 p.m. But it's, you know, it's so tiring, but it's worth it. So I hope every one of you enjoyed the vlog.
I hope they did.
Yeah.
I hope they did. Guys, please keep on supporting us.
yeah.
Subscribe to our channel, like, share. Thank you for watching.
Bye. Take care. everyone.
Bye.